Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Bitcoin network to Coinbase Wallet. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to add the Bitcoin network, tap onto the settings option at the top right corner, just right here. Then here you can find the option of networks. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the plus sign option at the corner. Now tap on it. Now this is the custom network that you can add. Tap onto network name, just like this. Add the network name Bitcoin and add the RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer URL. After adding the given details, simply tap on to add network. And that's it. This is how you can add Bitcoin network to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.